trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Consider the given figure, the figure given below, which shows a circle of radius 1 unit. So you are drawing a circle with 1 centimeter as radius, centered at the origin. So let P be any point on the circle. So if you take the circle, it can be divided into 4 parts. So this will be the first quadrant. So you take a point P, x comma y on the first quadrant. So when we draw, so this will be the first quadrant. When we draw a perpendicular PQ, from P to the x-axis, to form a right triangle OPQ. So that is right angled at Q. Let angle POQ is equal to theta. Let angle POQ is equal to theta. Then sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is PQ. PQ by OP. That is equal to y by 1. That is equal to y. Y coordinate of P. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. OQ by OP. That is equal to x by 1. So that is equal to x coordinate of P. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is PQ by adjacent is OQ. That is equal to y by x. If OP coincides with OA, see this. If OP coincides with OA, so this line will move here and you will get, what angle you will get? There won't be any angle, that is 0 degree. So this OP, when it is moving like this, you will get 0 degree. So if OP coincides with OA, then the angle theta will be 0 degree. Okay. So already we know that sin theta is equal to y. So sin 0 degree is equal to 0. You will get it as 0. There won't be any y coordinate for that. So you will get sin 0 is equal to, sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Cos 0 degree is equal to x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate? See here, the coordinates of A will be 1, 0. Okay, so the coordinates of A will be, see here, the coordinates of A. What will be the coordinates of A? That is 1, 0. So x value is 1 and y value is 0. That only you are getting it here. So sin theta is equal to y. So y value is 0. So you will get 0. And cos 0 is, sin 0 degree is 0. Cos 0 degree will be here x. What is the x value? That is 1. So cos 0 degree is 1. So cosecant will be reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of that is not defined. Okay. So that will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. And secant 0 degree is equal to 1. And tan 0 degree is 0. Tan is what? Tan is y by x. So that will also be equal to 0. And cot 0 degree is not defined. So these are all the things for 0 degree. Now if you take theta as 90 degree, if OP coincides with OB, see here, if this OP, this is OP line, that coincides with OB, what you will get? Here like this you will get a right triangle. You will get a right triangle like this. So the coordinates of B, is 0, 1. See here, coordinates of B is 0, 1. So therefore the coordinates of B are 0, 1. So we have sin 90 degree is equal to 1, 0, 1. So that is 1. And cos 90 degree is 0. Tan 90 degree is not defined. Same way for sin 90, reciprocal is cosecant. So cosecant 90 is 1. And cos 90 reciprocal is secant. It is not defined. And tan 90 it is not defined. So cot 90 is equal to 0. So these are all the trigonometric ratios of 0 and 90 degree.